This is my blog for my BP9 Web 2.0 tools for class. The site that I chose today was ngrade.com. This website is more for e-learners. It's actually a grading site that teachers who are teaching online can go to put up grades, put up tests, and also interact with students. Some of the things that they have on this site are online messaging, kind of the usual thing, online messaging, assignment calendar, wikis, most things that you would find on a social interface, but some other things that are original are the flashcards, as you can see right here, that's offered. Also, they offered a grade book. They have assignments. This is a section for teachers, for administrators. Let this load up. For administrators, you can connect with teachers, and so, for example, if you're working on a project with a class and you need advice from other teachers, other teachers can kind of talk and work things out and kind of associate with each other and tell each other about, different things that you could do for each other's classes, especially if you're doing strictly online. Because what I've noticed is that you don't really have the advantage of teacher interaction directly, and so this could be a great way to interact, especially since this site is really directed to teachers and to students, unlike a lot of interface sites that's kind of directed to a lot of different things. Accessing classes, you have 24-hour security, and the hosting is pretty quick. It's also good for parents and teachers. For parents, you can use this site if you have any children to see your kids' grades directly online instead of having to wait on a report card to be mailed in or something of that nature. You can have it actually, you can go online, pop it in, see it. One of the cool things about this site as well is that it gives you a demo. As you can see, this basically tells you how to use it, what you can do with it, how it can help you with your classes, all of those type of things. The reason why I picked this site specifically is because of the fact that it is good for teachers and for students. A lot of what my AR project is about is teacher-student interaction, and I pretty much need that to get data mainly, especially with the first surveys that I've been doing about how teachers feel about technology, what do they think about it, and also to keep up with tests from students. So we go to the student section here. Student part here, where assignment scores and homework, where I can see basically how the effects of media in the classroom affect test scores. And so one part of what I want to do is have the kids be tested on what they've learned through a certain form of media and see if, compared to a class that learned with the classic curriculum, how each class did. And one of the best ways to do this is to have them online, and I can keep up with it and keep it organized, and I don't have a ton of papers everywhere. And like I said before, it's free to sign up. You can create an account for teachers, for school administrators, for students, as well as parents. And so I definitely think this is a great site, not only for an AR project, if you're having an AR project that involves testing with students, but it's also good in general if you want to keep all that stuff in the classroom organized and set up correctly, so you're not disorganized and have different things going on at the same time. And so if you're looking for a website that will help you stay organized with the grading and a lot of statistics coming from how students do on tests, as well as different ways to teach, as well as different ways to communicate with parents so that they understand what's going on, this would be a great site to go to. I definitely recommend it, and it's www.ngrade.com. Thank you.